Are you looking for the top 5 best smart locks 2026? In this video, we'll be taking a closer look at some of the 5 best smart locks on the market today. Before we dive in, we've included links in the description for each product mentioned, so be sure to check those out to find the one that fits your style and budget. Number 1. ULTRALOQ U-Bolt Pro Wi-Fi Smart Lock with Door Sensor. Control your ULTRALOQ Smart Lock anytime, anywhere. Lock, unlock, share access, and see a log of who's entered and exactly when they did remotely using smartphone app with built-in Wi-Fi. Connect directly with your home Wi-Fi. No extra hub required. Connectivity. 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi only. 800 2.11b/g/n. 8-in-1 keyless entry door lock. AI-powered fingerprint ID plus Keypad plus app. Remote control plus auto unlock / auto lock plus web portal plus Encode. Sharing plus voice control with Alexa and Google Assistant plus 2 mechanical keys. Enhanced security and intelligence. The smart door lock auto locks when the door closes and unlocks as you approach with your smartphone. Get alerts for unlocks or an open door. Check door status with the sensor. Share Encode or codes remotely. Perfect for families, Airbnb apartments, offices, and hotels. Smart home integration. Works with Amazon Alexa, Google Home, SmartThings, Orift, as well as the U-Home app. Control your door lock with your voice and create helpful home automations that keep your home safer and more secure. Certified highest security and durability. Meets ANSI Grade 1 standard. Proven for up to 35 times strength of standard residential locks, along with a 7 times longer lifespan. IP65 rated dust and weatherproof external smart lock built to withstand heat and cold. Easy installation and customer service. ULTRALOQ Smart Deadbolt fits on most U.S. standard left-handed or right-handed doors. Replace your current deadbolt with just a screwdriver in 10 minutes. Lifetime mechanical and 18 months electronic guarantee. Number 2. Yale AssureLock 2 Keypad with Wi-Fi Connect Bridge for extended battery life. Easy check INS. Share unique door codes through the Yale Access app or compatible partner apps to allow your guests a hands-free check-in process. You're in control. With each booking, share a temporary and unique door code with guests that remains active for the duration of their stay. With no more lockbox codes to change or keys to return, rest easy knowing guests can't let themselves back in after they checked out. Don't worry, it's locked. Never worry again about your guests remembering to lock the door. The Yale AssureLock 2 automatically locks once Door Sense detects that the door is closed. Stay connected. With a Yale Connect Wi-Fi bridge included, enjoy app access from anywhere and extended battery life for your smart lock. Simply plug it into a power outlet and connect to your home's Wi-Fi in minutes. This product works with 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi and in the US and Canada. And no more lock OUTS. Your lock is battery powered, so guests still have access during a power or Wi-Fi outage. Plus, if the batteries die, you can always let them back in using your backup key, included. No more calls in the middle of the night. Number 3. Kwikset Aura Reach Smart Lock. The Kwikset Aura Reach Smart Lock is a modern, keyless entry deadbolt designed for seamless smart home integration and enhanced security. Featuring Matter over Thread and Bluetooth connectivity, it works effortlessly with popular platforms like Apple Home, Google Home, and Amazon Alexa for flexible control and automation. The proximity wake-up function automatically illuminates the backlit keypad as you approach, while GFNS-enabled auto unlock provides convenient hands-free entry, built with BHMA Grade 2 certification. This lock ensures reliable durability and trusted protection. Users can create up to 250 customizable access codes, monitor entry activity, and receive alerts for unauthorized attempts through the Kwikset app. With Smart Key security for easy rekeying, simple DIY installation, and a sleek matte black finish, the Aura Reach delivers a perfect blend of convenience, style, and advanced home security. Number 4. Schlage Encode Smart Wi-Fi Deadbolt Lock with touchscreen keypad. Anywhere access. With built-in Wi-Fi compatibility, you can easily and securely connect your Schlage Encode Deadbolt to your home Wi-Fi network to control and monitor your home from anywhere with the Schlage Home app. Peace of mind. Lock and unlock from anywhere. Manage up to 100 access codes for keyless entry. View lock history. receive customizable notifications, and easily manage multiple locks at once. All when paired to Schlage Home app and connected to a secure Wi-Fi network. Voice control works with Alexa and Google Home for optional hands-free convenience when paired with a Schlage Home app and a voice-enabled device. Advanced security, secure encrypted connection, built-in customizable alarm for door movement and forced entry attempts, fingerprint-resistant touchscreen, certified highest residential security, durability, and finish rating by BHMA industry experts. Easy install. Install in Minu-T to ES with just a screwdriver, no hardwiring required. Snap end stay design helps keep the lock on the door so both hands are free. Fits standard doors with 1 3/8 into 1 3/4 in door thickness and 2 3/8 in or 2 3/4 in back set. Number 5. Level Lock Pro, world's smallest, fastest, innovative smart lock. Invisible by design, advanced smart lock technology is fully hidden inside your door. Level Lock Pro is 62% smaller than other smart locks with no bulky interior or exterior hardware. Looks like a traditional lock, packed with features like door status detection, Apple Home Key, and Matter compatibility, all in the footprint of a traditional deadbolt. Stay connected from anywhere. Lock, unlock, manage access, and view activity from the Level Home app. Remote access requires a Matter-compatible hub or Level Connect Wi-Fi bridge sold separately. Security you can count on. Certified AAA by BHMA and ANSI Grade 1/A, representing the highest industry standard for security, durability, and finish. Includes bump and pick resistant cylinder and end-to-end encryption. Backed by 2-year limited warranty. Works with your smart home. Operate locally via Bluetooth or remotely using Matter with Apple Home, Google Home, Alexa, and SmartThings using supported Matter Hub and Thread border router. Door status detection. Integrated sensors detect when your door is left open with no visible stick-on magnets, cluttering your entryway. Enter your way. Unlock using Apple Home Key on iPhone or Apple Watch. NFC key fobs, touch to unlock, voice control, or physical key.